Hey everyone, it's me, Tavio. Welcome back to Alex and Tavio. Here's the intro. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Alex and Tavio here. Actually, today we're staring at Alex and Tavio, not just Tavio LoGiudice. We're staring Alex and Tavio. So guys, so I'm gonna put this in clips probably for you. So this is what we're looking at from the outside. Oh, and we got Josiah here. That's Iwal's house, and there goes the soccer ball or whatever. So this is what we're looking at. We got Josiah here. Yeah. Anyways, other than that, we got a lot of concrete here. I think this is gonna be like the basement, the thing, whatever you call it. And we got waters for days. Yeah, that wasn't us, by the way. It was just other people. Anyways, but I think that might be the garage. They're not done with it, but we think this might be something. We're gonna explore this, guys, later. But right now, I think we're sort of in the basement here. And they got another half here. I'll just take you guys through this quickly. So, here, let me go through the main entrance. Also, guys, I probably won't be running a lot, so, because I'm hurting today, because I had 2 soccer games. So, anyways, guys, I'll put Idwall's link, Alex's link in the description, so you guys can go check his channel out on his point of this. Sorry if I made it so loud on that video. So we got the stairs.
And, like, up here, it's a lot higher, because if I fall, I'm probably dead. And there's like these.
So anyways, guys, as I was saying, ow, ow. Anyways, we got a rock here. So like I was saying, we have the stairs. Come down here to the basement, right? Oh, whoops. Get the basement right here. Got some random stuff here. This might be actually like, I don't know, but I wanted to go live, but anyways, we're probably gonna explore this place. I'll probably put it in the clips if I can. But yeah, these are the things that are like moving all this stuff around. Probably later we'll probably show you this stuff. We got Idwall right here, and yeah, part 2 coming at you. All right, guys. So second part. So we got Mateo L in the house, my brother, and pretty soon, guys, we're gonna be exploring this stuff.
Here. I don't want to drop down there. Stand over here. No, you don't have to go there.
Wrong day to work in.
Stand right here. Right where I'm standing.
Wait, is there a way down there?
Yeah.
No.
Down here? Oh yeah. Here.
Okay.
So here, I'll show him. All right, Mateo. Whoa.
We're gonna show what we've done so far. First step. He is.
All right, Mateo. So just follow the path. See those stairs over here? All right, right here. Here. Come on down. Here.
There's a way down.
Come on, Mateo.
Come on.
So guys, heading down with Mateo. My
Go
head.
down the stairs. Watch out for that rock.
All right, watch out for that. All right,
Let's go down.
Don't
going. And then, sorry guys, I just want to show Mateo this.
So yeah, this is actually
So,
the first time.
Mateo's first time down
Can we
here.
go there?
It's down
Sure.
here. There's
Is there any snakes down here?
No, no, there's not. No, there's nothing. See? There's just rocks.
Buried.
Okay.
So, this is just,
Wait, going to be the basement once they finish the house. Cut that out.
So guys, it's gonna be the basement. If you heard from Idwall,
Here, did I record this?
I hope. I think he might send me the clips, but Mateo, you want to be in my YouTube video today? Here we go, guys. All right, so going up. Go to Idwall, Mateo. Keep going. Yep, head on now. All right, guys. So hitting down here, the gang.
Vault over it, so here we go.
Listen to Idwall, please.
Here, I'm gonna go over here. Here, guys, watch out, Mateo.
I think I know how to do it.
Here, Mateo, come over here, please.
Do it.
There we go. No, I missed.
Let me try. I'll do it.
I'll cut that part out on mine, or if you can help me with it. All right, guys.
It's a little too steep for me.
Okay.
It's a little high for me.
Here, want to take the stairs?
Here, Mateo.
Yeah,
All right, come on. Go on up. Huh? Whoa. All right. Go down the stairs. Sorry if this is a little crazy in the microphone, but yeah. So I didn't show you this part over here. So
Here it is.
we got this. Might be the garage, I think. Josiah, I don't know why he was thinking of this for stuff, and I think this is how hard they're thinking of going with it. Or it might be, I don't know. I'm not this kind of expert. I don't know what this is. Might be the front door, actually. Or no, this is the garage, I think. Might be. Whoa, sorry. This might be the garage. 1, and then 2, and then this thing is just the thing that goes up, and then like the stuff connects. But yeah, they're not working on it. They got this big pile of things, as long as this stuff too. They got porta potty down there. They got this here. Got a ball here. Got that other thing. We got Josiah somewhere. I think he might be down here. I'm not really sure. Yep, Josiah's definitely down here, guys. He's down here. Whoa, almost fell there. It's not a good day to wear sandals when you're on this stuff. Might need to take another shower. So this is just great. Anyways, guys, I'll show you the equipment they use.
Let's get back into
All right. This is the equipment that they use.
I got top. 11 hours. That video is sending to Declan.
All right, Josiah has it. I'm going up.
It's locked.
All right, hang on. Yes, the thing is locked for
it needs gas anyway.
yeah. But you know, Idwall's gonna have a seat here. He's had a long day today, so he's just gonna sit down.
Ow, that hurt. What was that? Oh, this
I'm not sure if I got that, but I'll send you that. So and then we got I don't know. No, I don't want to do this. But, I'll just show him it when I can sit in the seat. But I'm not gonna start this up. I don't think they're even. Whoa, Mateo, careful. So, anyways, there is no isn't anything, but this is just what it looks like, right? You sit here, and then you got all the good stuff. But anyways, I'm just gonna go down this way. Here.
And me, you're gonna put my face out to. You gotta blur it out.
So,
I'll try.
all right, guys, what are we doing?
It started. So here.
All right. Sorry, guys. Okay. I'm just gonna put this stuff there. Anyways, guys, so here we are. Josiah's at the top. Josiah, wave. Yay! I need to add some sound effects in there. Mateo,
So bad.
I didn't get to show you this truck. I will in a second. I can get up here. I'm not gonna go in because it's locked, but this is what it looks like. And then they get the controls. All right here. Got the stuff in the back. Got the other stuff, and yeah. So I think we're gonna head back now, if I'm not mistaken. And nope, we're not heading back. We're just gonna share the porta potty. I don't know why. It's just a thing on our list. So we should, yeah.
It's actually clean compared to most. Except for probably in there.
Yeah.
Not for content. No. That's bad content right there. Why would I
Okay.
even show that?
Will I even show that? No.
In that.
Yeah. But anyways, guys. So I think this is. Oh, let's see what it says on the side. All right, what does it say? Oh, that's just okay. Sorry, I'm not gonna show them in the video, but I'm just gonna go with the other YouTube I do all. Anyways, guys, I might post this later on, but anyway, guys. But all right, guys.
Anyway, guys, that
So,
is
guys,
the end of this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's the end of this video. Adios.
So guys, this is the end of this video. Mateo, do not throw that rock again. Got it? Do not. Come on, kid. I've been killed enough today. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this video. Mateo, do not throw any rocks again. Got it? If someone's coming up the stairs. Anyways, guys, sorry. I'll post this later. Like, I don't know. And then we'll come when it's finished, when it's almost done again. So, anyways, guys, have a great rest of your night, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.